Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for story writing. First, create a dedicated Notion page for your entire story project. Within this page, set up a database to meticulously organize all your story elements. You can customize properties such as status, type, and linked relations to categorize characters, settings, and plot points effectively. This initial setup provides a robust framework for your creative journey, ensuring everything is in its right place from the start. Next, let's dive into character development. Create individual Notion pages for each of your characters, detailing their unique backstories, motivations, and physical descriptions. You can add specific sections for their relationships with other characters and their personal arcs. Utilizing a character template ensures consistency across all your profiles, making it easy to maintain a rich and detailed cast throughout your narrative. This structured approach helps bring your characters to life. Now, let's structure your narrative and build your world. Notion allows you to map out your plot using various views, such as a timeline or a Kanban board, to visualize your story's progression. Create distinct pages for all your world-building elements, including lore, magic systems, and geographical details. Linking these related pages together helps maintain a cohesive and immersive story universe, ensuring every detail is interconnected and easily accessible. Finally, it's time for drafting and revision. You can write your entire story, chapter by chapter, directly within Notion pages. Leverage the comment feature for self-feedback or to collaborate with editors and beta readers, making the revision process seamless. Implement a status property in your chapter database to track your progress, from first draft to final edit. This comprehensive approach supports you through every stage of bringing your story to completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.